Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix when you're opening ChatGPT or accessing any conversation. At the time you're seeing this error message, unable to load conversation, and one random error code is showing here. As you can see guys in my screen, same problem, same error I also facing. So finally I'm going to show you some easy and simple method to fix this issue definitely. Okay, so first you need to know what is this error mean. Okay, this ChatGPT error usually appear when ChatGPT server are temporarily overloaded, or your browser cache is corrupted, or your login session has expired, or your internet connection is unstable. So these four are the main reason behind this error. Important thing to understand, this is not a virus and not a PC problem. So the problem is only from your ChatGPT. First you need to refresh, you need to select the new chat from your ChatGPT, or simply I will suggest you to close your ChatGPT and reopen it, and now try to access your previous chat or try to browse anything in ChatGPT. It will definitely fix your problem. Still the problem is same, you can try the next method. If you are using the ChatGPT on your mobile phone in your web browser, now you need to clear your browser cache. Okay, to clear these guys, click on three dots, scroll down and find out settings. In the settings, go to privacy and security and go to delete browsing data. Especially from here you need to select cookies and cache and then simply click on delete. If you are using ChatGPT in your any dedicated app, you need to also update your app. Go to app about section and simply check for update. If the update is available, go ahead, update your app. Same thing you need to follow on your Android phone also, or you can try to open the ChatGPT in the incognito tab window. It will fix the problem sometime by using the incognito tab. Still the problem is same. Now what you need to do, you need to log out your ChatGPT account and log in back after waiting 10 to 15 seconds. Still the problem is same, you need to check your internet connection. Okay, how your internet is performing. If the internet is working fine on other website, only you are facing the issue on ChatGPT website, at that time what you need to do, you need to close your ChatGPT and you need to disconnect your Wi-Fi one time and reconnect it back once again. After doing this guys, it will refresh your network settings and it will fix your problem. Still the problem is same. Now you can try the next method. If you are using any third-party VPN proxy on your device, you need to disconnect it. So I am using ChatGPT in my Windows 11. So I will open my Windows settings, go to network and internet, go to VPN. If the VPN is connected, you need to disconnect it. Same thing you need to follow on your Android phone and iPhone also. One more thing, you need to check your device date and time setting as well. If the device date and time setting is incorrect, you need to correct this. Sometime wrong date and time cause the problem. So after trying this all method, still the problem is same. Sometime by the ChatGPT server was done by its OpenAI server, so at that time you can't do anything. You need to wait for 20 to 15 minutes. After waiting, you need to try to access your ChatGPT. It will fix your problem. Okay, so these are the easy and simple method to fix this issue. Comment down below which method was work with you. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please like, share and subscribe to Smart Tech Junction for more useful tech videos.